How to find the password of the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can find the Wi-Fi password of the network that you are connected to. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the settings or your notification menu or the control panel. Now I can access this by scrolling towards the bottom. And now in this notification menu, I can simply tap and hold on to the Wi-Fi icon, or also I can go to settings directly from my mobile device. Now under settings, you will need to go to Wi-Fi, and then under Wi-Fi, you can see saved networks. And currently this is the network that I am connected to. So in order to view its password, I will need to click onto this I button over this Wi-Fi name. And then from here, I can click onto this share button right here. So once I'll click onto this share button, I might need to verify myself by providing my fingerprint or my password. And now you can see that it has given me the QR code using which I can share this mobile network as well as the password right here. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.